Hi, this is the full walkthrough of this beautiful and spacious four-bedroom independent Quortaj Type A on the market for rent in Al Furjan. On the left will be the kitchen, on the right the stairs in your guest bedroom, and straight ahead you'll have a very spacious living and dining area. Very good space. You have doors and windows on the right hand side, creates that much more brightness and light in the house. Then entering a large closed kitchen, very decent size. And on the outside, separate from the house, you have a fully set up laundry and a maid's room with its own bathroom. Now heading inside, you'll have your downstairs powder room, and your downstairs guest bedroom with the ensuite bathroom. Very good sized bathroom, and all the bedrooms are very well maintained, all built-in wardrobe and spacious. Heading upstairs, you will see a decent size, very usable upstairs family sitting area, and on the right hand side a large master bedroom with a walk-in wardrobe and ensuite bathroom. You have access to the balcony overlooking the back garden. This is the walk-in wardrobe, and a large bathroom with a bath and a shower. There's another balcony for the family sitting area. Then heading into the second upstairs bedroom. Again, built-in wardrobe, decent sized bedroom. And then the third upstairs bedroom. Again, decent size and built-in wardrobe. So these two rooms has a shared bathroom in the middle. This is an internal property, so you're not backing any main roads. Very large property. It's a built up area of over 5,300 square feet, more than enough space for a large family. It is on the market for rent at this stage. If you have any questions or inquiries to view the property, please feel free to contact me on the details provided.